Business Boy, where smart ideas build wealth. Have you ever wondered why some people become wealthy while others work hard their entire lives and still struggle financially? Most people think getting rich is all about luck, having rich parents, or discovering some secret investment. But that's not the truth. The easiest and fastest way to build wealth isn't about getting lucky. It's about understanding how money works and making better financial decisions than the average person. Let me explain. From a young age, we're taught to go to school, get good grades, find a good job, work for 40 years, and then retire. There's nothing wrong with having a job. A job pays your bills and gives you stability. But here's the problem. A job alone rarely makes people wealthy because your income is usually limited by the number of hours you can work. Think about it. There are only 24 hours in a day. If your income depends only on your time, there's a limit to how much you can earn. That's why many people work harder every year but never become financially free. Now compare that to someone who owns a business, sells digital products, invests in companies, or creates content on YouTube. They can earn money even when they're sleeping because they've built assets that continue generating income. That's one of the biggest differences between the wealthy and everyone else. Wealthy people don't just work for money. They build systems that allow money to work for them. The next step is learning a high-income skill. If you can solve valuable problems, people will happily pay you. Skills like sales, copywriting, digital marketing, programming, graphic design, video editing, and content creation are valuable because businesses need them every day. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Every skill you learn is another tool that can increase your income. Another habit that separates wealthy people is investing. Many people spend everything they earn. As soon as they receive their salary, they buy things that lose value. Wealthy people usually think differently. They save part of their income and invest it in businesses, diversified investments such as stock funds, or other assets that have the potential to grow over time. Imagine planting a tree. You don't expect fruit the next day. You water it, take care of it, and give it time. Investing works the same way. The earlier you start and the more consistent you are, the greater the chance your money has to grow. Another mistake many people make is relying on only one source of income. If that one income disappears, everything becomes difficult. That's why many financially successful people aim to build multiple income streams. They might have a job, a small business, a YouTube channel, affiliate income, digital products, freelance work, or investments. You don't have to build all of them today. Start with one. Master it. Then add another. Over time, those income streams can support each other. Now here's something that changed the way I think about money. Rich people don't ask, "How can I make money today?" They ask, "How can I create something that keeps making money for years?" That's why many of them build businesses, write books, create online courses, invest, and own assets instead of depending only on a monthly paycheck. Finally, stop chasing every new trend you see online. Today it's crypto. Tomorrow it's Forex. Next week it's drop shipping. Then it's AI. People who constantly jump from one opportunity to another often never master anything. Choose one path, become excellent at it, stay consistent, and let time work